So I am standing out in front of our farmhouse admiring this beautiful green lush lawn, and it's hard to believe, but this spring this lawn was completely patchy, and back over here it was bare dirt because we had excavated for a gas line when we did the kitchen remodel. We partnered with Jonathan Green on this lawn makeover, and now instead of it being a total eyesore, we get a ton of compliments from family and friends when they come up to the house. And we're gonna walk you through the surprisingly simple steps we took to get the lawn looking this good and the Jonathan Green products we used. So the first thing we did was this spring, we tested our soil with a pH tester, and Garrett's here, he understands this a little better than I do, so.
Yeah, so the pH of the soil is actually really important for growing grass, and grass prefers basically a pretty neutral pH. And so our soil turns out was acidic, and so we added Magical to adjust that pH up toward neutral a little bit. And Jonathan Green has Magical for more acidic soils and also for soils that are a little more basic.
And that also helps break up compacted soil, which we were really dealing with here. So then at the end of spring, once things were starting to get a little green around here.
We were getting that nice early summer weather, just a nice string of some sunny days.
Yeah, then we brought the mower in and we mowed on a low setting, and then we raked up all the debris in the lawn.
And once your yard's all cleaned up, then you're ready to do the grass seed. And we used a rotary spreader to get Black Beauty Ultra all over our front lawn.
And Black Beauty makes for a really green and lush looking grass. You can see it right here. But Jonathan Green has a few different options depending if you get sun or shade or a mix of both.
At the same time you put the seed down, you'll want to do a round of green up, which is some great food for the seed. And then we also did another round of Magical. And then it's just water, water, water. You want to make sure that your lawn stays nice and moist while those seeds germinate. We also added another round of seed about 3 weeks later, and this was just to make sure that we did a nice overseed and that all of our bare spots had plenty of seed growing. Thanks to Jonathan Green for partnering on this lawn rehab project. It's a surprisingly simple process to get your lawn looking great.
Yeah, Jonathan Green has actually been around longer than this house has been standing here, so they really know grass. And we are linking to every product of theirs that we used, as well as the tools in the description below.